Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Y'all. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is deneatreslatreec. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel you can expect to see weekly vlogs, standard lives, get ready with me, a little bit of cleaning, wig reviews, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So y'all already know what's about to come at you. Y'all seen that thumbnail? This video is brought to you by SVT, y'all. SVT. They sent your girl over this gorgeous, did I say gorgeous? Gorgeous unit, honey. Like, yes, honey, yes. It is so amazing. It is soft. It is manageable. And let me tell you about this lace. Honey, what lace? You don't see it? This lace is absolutely amazing. Like, it had me speechless though. It had me so speechless because this lace it's so amazing. It looked like it's coming right out of my dark scalp, y'all. It's honey. Like, what lace? What lace do you see? You don't see no lace, boo. You don't see it nowhere. Like, this lace is everything. It is everything, honey. Everything. When I tell y'all this lace is everything, honey, you ain't gonna want to take this unit off because it looks so doggone good. I'm telling you, it's amazing. It's soft. I'm not getting no tangles. The shedding is minimal because you know this is a curly unit, so you're gonna get minimal shedding. It's not a whole lot. You're not gonna get no handfuls of hair in your hand, but it is amazing, y'all. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This is 100% human hair. It is soft. It is full, as you can see. It does come with natural baby hairs, which I know I don't do no baby hairs, but it does have them if you do want to use them. This unit can be dyed, it can be bleached, and it can be flat ironed if you choose to. 13x4 parting space. This lace is HD lace, honey. And honey, let me tell y'all, I don't think I want to go back to any other lace but HD. Like, HD me lace me, please. I need some HD lace because honey, this lace ain't coming to play. This lace ain't coming to play. I mean, this hands down, it look like it's like coming out of my scalp. It melted so very well. It also comes with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. And it does comes with an adjustable strap. This unit is absolutely amazing. I don't know how many times I'm gonna have to say it, but it's amazing, y'all. You know it's still hot, honey. It's still hot, okay? So this unit comes right on time. Let me show y'all the goodies that they sent your girl. Not only did they send this cute little bag, they also sent over some goodies as well. They sent over 2 headbands. They sent over not 1 but 3 wig caps. They also was sent over 1, 2, 3 lashes. They different styles, so but they look pretty good. There's some 3D lashes, and then they sent over a little makeup brush kit. Look like it has the eyebrows, got the little blush brush, concealer, all that in this cute little pack. So thank you, SVT, thank you. So yeah, SVT is doing their thing over there. They are doing a phenomenal job. So lightweight, perfect for the summertime. You can wear this unit to work, you can wear it to church, you can wear it to a date night, you can wear it to just an outing, to the store. You can wear this unit anywhere. It's going to look absolutely perfect. Just the lace alone on this unit is a 10. The hair is good as well. I would give the hair a high rating too because this hair is amazing too. It's a bob, like an asymmetric bob, so it's short in the back and then it comes down longer in the front, which is super duper cute. Yeah, so if you are interested in seeing just how it came out the box after I washed it and how I laid this unit down, just how easy it was to lay it down, and especially as soon as I melted it, that lace, honey. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? So I know I look crazy, I know I do, but here is the unit, y'all. Here is the unit. All I did was take out the box, wash it, and here we go. I am doing the ball cap method with this unit simply because this is a 13x4 lace front wig, and I want it to look really good. So I'm doing the ball cap method, and we're gonna see how it goes. So let's put this on. All right. Okay, so I will be looking down because I have my mirror right here. So I'm going to put this in a ponytail so it can be out of my way. Okay, got it in a ponytail. Got the hair out the way. The hairline is amazing. Cut this in place like that. And then I'm going to use my eyebrow razor. Lace is cut, and now we're about to glue this down. Okay, now we're going to glue this down. So I'm going to be using my Got To Be free spray to lay this down. To get my handy dandy strap so we can lay this down further. All right, so while the hair is laying, we are going to get into these curls, honey. We're gonna see how these curls is. So this is it. Ain't nothing been done to it. Nothing been done to it. Nothing been done to it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my water bottle. I got this bottle off Amazon, if anybody is wondering. This came out Amazon, and I'm just gonna spray all this hair. Then I'm getting my dimming brush so we can comb, brush through it. No tangles, anything, which I'm not getting any tangles. That's pretty good. Next I'm going to use my Olive Miracle American Pride. This foaming setting spray. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use my Cantu Natural Hair Dry Defying Moisture Seal. I'm going to use this as well, and this is the boost that I'm going to be using today as well. So I'm going to use these two products to define the curls, and let's get to it. I'm going to section this off, and I'm going to do on one side at a time. Curls. Ooh, y'all see that waviness? Do y'all see that waviness? Don't get seasick now. Don't get seasick, okay? Oh, yo, don't let them waves get you seasick right here and there. Okay, I ain't trying to get y'all sick, okay? But y'all gonna get sick off these waves. All right, stop playing with y'all. All right, so I am going to take this strap off, and let's see how good this lace is, y'all. Let's see how good it is. Are you ready? And I ain't talking about football. Okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Yo. This lace is, what lace, y'all? What lace? Oh my god. Oh my god. Do y'all see? Wow. That lace melted so good in my skin. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. This lace is amazing. Oh my god. Yo, it looks like it's coming out of my, it looks like it's coming out of my skin. SVT. Oh my, SVT. Y'all around here showing out. Y'all showing out. Like what? Y'all, do y'all look? Look. It's like it's coming out of my scalp. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So pretty. It is so pretty. Oh my god. Y'all not seeing this right. Y'all not. Do y'all see this? I'm speechless. Do y'all see this gorgeousness? Oh my god. SVT, y'all didn't come to play, honey. Y'all did not come to play. If they thought y'all was playing, y'all just shut it down. Y'all just dropped the mic. Like, honey, honey, I can't get past this lace. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Moving on. So I've been wearing middle parts for like a while now. I want to wear a side part with this unit just to switch it up a little bit by putting a side part. I'm going to do a side part. I got my handy dandy comb. Okay, so now I'm going to diffuse it. I like big hair. I like big curls. So we're going to diffuse this. Once I get this on here, I'm going to diffuse it, and yeah. So alright, y'all. So I diffused my hair as much as I could within the time being, because I don't have a lot of time right now. But I diffused my hair a little bit and give it a little volume, not too much, but I did give it a little. And y'all, I am loving this unit. It is so soft, and y'all, the lace is on point. The lace is on point, honey. Yes. This unit does not need a lot. Like, it was so easy to put this on. Really, really easy. The lace melts like butter, honey. Butter. When I tell you this lace melts like butter, you best to believe it, honey. Because this lace ain't coming to play. SVT. SVT. Honey. Yes. So let me show you the back. SVT ain't coming to play, okay? They ain't coming to play. And there you have it. I would like to thank SVT for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in picking up this gorgeous drop dead beauty, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.